to my channel, you guys. I am so excited today to be here because we have a brand new box. And when we have a brand new box to the channel, we get a little extra hype because we get to introduce to you a brand new subscription box. I have not heard of it until now, but I'm super excited to open it and see what it's all about. Are you guys ready? This box is called Genglow Box. Let your natural glow. So I have done a variety of unboxings from various niches. We have done beauty boxes, self-care boxes, pet boxes, health boxes, fitness boxes, you name it, we unbox it here at Saving Mamacita. And if there is something you would like us to unbox, let me know down in the comment section down below. If you are a box brand, you can also leave us a comment or send us a private message and we would love to check out your box. Let's go ahead and unbox Genglow Box. Okay, so this box actually came in an envelope, a purple envelope, and it came in this box. Very pretty box. It has some white on top. It has the name of the box as well as their slogan. Around the box is just their basic design. Super, super cute. It is a little heavy. Opening it up, here's what it looks like inside. And they sent me their May box. So here is the description insert that they included. It says Genglow Box lemons. When life hands you lemons, you make lemonade. On the back it says what is inside the box and it gives a description of every item inside the box. And then it does say made in the USA. Bonus items are not shown on the list here. Inside, we got a little card and it says, thank you. We hope you enjoy this month's box. Your purchase made our day and we hope we can make yours a little better too. Follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook. Very sweet little touch there. Love that. Okay, and here's what it looks like. They have some purple tissue paper to match the box and a little sticker that says Genglow Box on it. Nice branding there. And here's what it looks like. Super pretty. Love that. And you guys, you know how I roll. I will leave all of the items inside my description area along with a price of the box for you to check out if you're interested. Okay, it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 items inside the box. So let's take a look. First off, we have, it looks like Sugar Plus Lemon. This is a sugar lemon moisturizing lip scrub. Ooh. It's used to exfoliate and scrub away cracked, dry skin. So here's what that looks like. Made with rosehip, apricot, and jojoba oils, as well as shea butter to help rejuvenate and hydrate dry lips. Let's see, how do we open this here? I love the packaging on this. And one thing I must say about this particular box is they have products that are all natural, cruelty-free. So if you're into that kind of thing, which is a super, super awesome idea, these types of products are products that you will probably really love to enjoy, love to check out. So here's what it looks like, sugar and lemon. That is pretty, super, super pretty. I'm excited to try that out. I love a good lip scrub, super awesome. Next up, we have Amazing Lemon Bar. This is a granola snack. Lemon Bar will please the palate of all lemon lovers and add a refreshing flavor to a bowl of oatmeal or a new bite to your favorite cheesecake recipe. Nut-free and made with gluten-free oats. I'm not a big lemon fan. I've never really enjoyed that flavor. So I'm not so sure how or if I'm going to use this, but I may pass it on to someone else who enjoys lemon. But I love trying new snacks. Here's what it looks like. Next up, we have this is pretty packaging. Aqua De Soul. This is a soy candle, a refreshing blend of Meyer lemon, orange zest, and raw sugar. 9-ounce travel tin, approximately 50-hour burn time. Let's take a smell of this. Here's what it looks like. Very cute container. I like that. I really do like that. Very pretty. It smells very fresh, very clean. As you know, I'm not a big lemon person, but it isn't real prominently lemon, so it has like sunshiny smell to it. Does that make sense? Sweeter lemon scent. It's not bad. Okay, next item, we have a Little Moon Essentials Aromatherapeutic Release Purifying Mist. Release is a mist of the sun, a purifying blend that evokes bright and balanced energy. Release will motivate you to share your gifts with the world and to let loose what is no longer serving you. In other words, bye-bye. That does smell really good. Very fresh, very clean. All right, we've got a few more items. We've got an I'm Lemon mask sheet, brightening mask. Gotta love those fun face masks. In addition to that, we have a lemon mint shower steamer. We've got this is adorable, easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's like a little storage pouch. You can put whatever you want in there. It'll be fun for traveling, for your makeup, for your lotions. Ooh, it's very soft too. Isn't that adorable? It's got a cute little gnome on it. That's what it looks like inside, just a basic black pouch, but super cute. Love that. Then a couple more items. We've got some hand sanitizer wipes. It's from the brand called Everyone. Love that. Nice to have these. You can definitely carry them with you in your purse. It says with calendula, chamomile, and aloe extracts, has a coconut and lemon scent to them. They are definitely staying true to their lemon theme, which is super fun. And then they have Everyone for Everybody Nourishing Body Lotion for your hands and for your body. 2-in-1 lotion will brighten your mood with the appeal of lemon and sweet coconut, keeping your skin soft and supple will feel like a seamless treat. Let's take a smell. I like that combination of the lemon and the coconut. I love coconut. I love that smell. I love the taste. This is definitely, yeah, I'm gonna use this for sure. A fun body lotion or hand lotion for you to check out. All right, so that concludes the unboxing of the Lemon's Genglow Box. This is from the May edition. All of those items, you guys, for this price down below, they do not have the individual prices of each item included in the box. You guys know that I really like to see the price, the individual breakdown, just so I can kind of get an idea of how much I am spending versus how much I'm getting, and just to kind of compare and see how much value I am getting for this particular box. Let's go ahead and do a quick review and then we will rate this box. All right, so we've got the lemon bar granola snack, the lemon shower steamer, the lemon sheet mask, the sugar plus lemon moisturizing lip scrub, the hand sanitizer wipes, the pouch, the nourishing hands and body lotion, and the candle, as well as the Little Moon Essentials Releasing Purifying Mist. All right, so what you guys think? What would you guys rate that box? We're gonna go ahead and give them their first rating, but I wanna know down in the comment section down below what you guys would rate this box. Let's go ahead and rate that box, rate that box, rate that box, rate that box. All right, Genglow Box. This is our first rating for this particular subscription box. When we rate the box, you guys, we rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box. We rate based on the quality of the items in the box, along with the variety of the items in the box. We also rate based on the price point of the box. A lot of subscription boxes will run you between that $30 to $50 range. That's kind of been a good average price that we have seen with most subscription boxes. You guys know that I love to see the breakdown of the prices and compare that to the actual subscription box price to see if we're getting the value for our money. Let's go ahead and rate the box. Here are all the items inside the box. I love the variety of the items in these boxes, you guys. This box stuck to its theme. It was presented well. It had a nice variety, stuck to the lemon theme. Love that. It was packaged very nicely. And I love the fact that they had a card that broke down everything as far as the description of each product item, because a lot of these products are new to me. Like, I've never heard of these products. So it's very nice to be able to go in and look and kind of read a little bit about them. Let's go ahead and give them their first rating. All right, Genglow Box. You are gonna get your first rating of a 7.5. 7.5. All right, so the reason why I gave it a 7.5 is, well, it is missing the breakdown of the prices. Now, it's not mandatory for a box to do that. However, me personally, I love to see that breakdown. I love to see how much each retails for so I can kind of compare and see if I'm getting that value for the overall subscription price. You know what I'm saying? Yes. I love that they had a lot of items and they stuck to the theme. Lemon isn't my jam at all, so I don't know. I don't know that I'm going to be using a lot of these items simply because I'm not a big lemon fan, but that's just a personal preference. So that is why the rating is down a little bit on that, because the usability for me isn't there, and that's okay. But for someone who does love lemon, this would probably rock your world. So that concludes the unboxing and the rating of Genglow Box. Thank you so much for sending me this box. I loved receiving it. I love the look of it. I love the presentation of it. Very, very nice. Thank you so much. And thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. We will see you guys in the next video.